When our students leave Fortis College, they are ready to work. And we know that because we get dentists who call our school looking for our graduates.
The industry needs them so desperately that they're calling us now, like, we need assistance, we need assistance, we need as many as you can, provide us.
I think what's the most attractive about well, there's two things. One, it's an accelerated program, meaning that from start to finish, the students, time-wise, can have a dental hygiene degree in a shorter amount of time. But actually, I think the number one reason is because they do not have to go attend a junior college to get X amount of prerequisites to get here. And that is what a lot of the other colleges, that's their requirement. So I think that's probably most attractive about our campus is the whole dental hygiene curriculum is in the 28-month period.
It's definitely a program that's doable with other jobs and children and whatever you're trying to do in your life.